Alright y'all, I'm about a week and a half into wearing this hairstyle, and I do want to answer a few questions that I do get, so it's probably going to be a frequently asked question. It's not too many questions that I usually get, but it's usually around the same kind of questions that I get. First question that I want to answer is, I know a lot of you guys want to know the color of the hair that I use, because in one of my videos I didn't put that in the description box, and please forgive me, okay? The color that I chose to go with this style this time around is the TP4/30. It's not blonde, it's not the blonde one. I believe the blonde is the TP427. How I'm maintaining my hair, the hair while it's in my head, I will say what I usually do, and also what you can do. So the things that I could actually implement later on when I continue to wear crochet braids. To maintain this hair, every 3 days I like to oil my scalp. I like to add oil to my scalp, and the one that I'm currently using right now is the Main Choice, the multivitamin scalp nourishing growth oil. I'm unable to focus in on this bottle, but this right here, when my head starts to itch, number one, because I'm not used to having my hair in cornrows for this long. Is that true? Oh, what you can tell is that in the video, when I was done with the video, my hair was a lot longer than this. So as the days have gone by, I see some of this still needs to be cut. See this? That kind of stuff. This is how you would eliminate some of the frizz as days go by, you know, because life will hit this hair. It'll hit this hair. You see what I'm saying? It's just, it has no purpose being there anymore, okay? It's done its time. Let it go. Honestly, so far, the hair still looks pretty fresh to me. Do I know how long I'm going to keep it in? I have no idea. Once the hair is installed, I find myself becoming real, like, I'm over the hair. I'm over the style. And it's mainly because I'm ready to wash my hair after it's been in. I'm going to do my best to keep the hair in as long as I can. This hairstyle should be left in your head. It lasts up to about 4 weeks. Or if you're just like me and you can't wait wait that long. Take it out, girl, take it out. I do still currently sleep on satin sheets, and I do still currently sleep on a satin pillowcase. That really helps me in my hair without it having to snag on any cotton pillowcases and sheets. Sleeping on satin for me, it just, you just slip and slide, slip and slide. What I would like to implement in, when it comes to maintaining my hair is, I think the best thing to do would be to get a satin wrap and do a pineapple wrap. I think that's what it's called. When the hair is up at the top, just kind of at the top, but the rest down here is wrapped. That would be something for those of you out there who do wrap your hair at night. The best thing to do would be to do like a pineapple wrap using a satin hair wrap. Guys, I'm not a hairstylist. I don't know all the terms and stuff. If you want to keep the curls nice and defined, use a hair mousse every 3 days, okay? Just like scalp, when you're oiling your scalp, you want to use a mousse every 3 days as well. You don't want to use that too much because in the hair, I feel like will start to get kind of stiff if you use it too frequently. It's not real hair, guys, it's synthetic hair. I'm satisfied with this length. I think that this is very, look at it, it's like it's appropriate for this curl because it's a bigger curl, it does require a lot of maintenance. So can you imagine if it was just really long and all over the place, guys? I don't know, maybe there's some people out there that probably can rock them some long go-go curls, but I wanted to try it the short way. Pooped it up, made it a little messy because I like my hairstyles to be messy. I don't like neat hair, I don't like it neat. Is anyone out there that likes neat hair? I mean, power to you, but I don't. I really do like that lioness look, and this look is giving me that, okay? How many packs of hair did I use? That's one of my main questions that I get. What is wrong with me? These are things that need to go in the description box. Okay, so the amount of packs that I use for this hairstyle is, I used about 4.5 packs. So I didn't even complete the 5th one. I have a good amount left. How long did this take me? It took me 3 days. And the only reason why it took me 3 days to install this crochet is because when I do my own hair, I take so much time. There's no reason this hairstyle should have taken this long, but my attention span is like this small, so if I want to take a break, my breaks are very, very frequent. So I got tired, I ended up going to bed, waking up, and I would start pretty much at any time if I'm not working or something like that. I'll start at any time of the day, and it's usually around the evening, and I don't end up going to bed until like 5 o'clock in the morning, which is really unhealthy. So I'm gonna have to work on timing. My time management is it needs work. I think that's about it. I'm gonna do my best with trying to list out everything that I used in the description box. Let's put the